What if the freshest herbs you ever tasted never cost you another cent and never touched a single speck of soil? Picture a row of glass jars lined along a sunny windowsill, each one holding nothing but water and a thriving green herb, growing for free while you sleep. There are incredible plants that regrow in plain water so quickly and endlessly that you may soon abandon soil altogether. All you need do is simply snip a sprig and slip it into a glass of water, and within days, delicate white roots begin to appear. Some of these herbs root almost overnight. Others spring back to life from a humble scrap you were about to throw away. And one of these herbs was so treasured in the ancient world that its very name means royal, fit for a king, yet a single sprig of it from the supermarket can multiply into an endless supply. So stay close, because plant number 2 carries a secret the ancient world tied to kings and royalty. By the end of this video, you will understand that it's possible to not buy a single fresh herb for years. Welcome back to PlantProven, where we rediscover the simple growing wisdom the modern world forgot. If the idea of endless free herbs on your windowsill appeals to you, tap subscribe so you never miss a trick like this. And leave a comment telling me which of these plants you will grow first. Now let us get into the list of these 13 herbs, ranked from impressive to absolutely incredible. Number 13 is rosemary, the fragrant herb of the Mediterranean hillsides. Now I am starting with rosemary on purpose, because it is the slowest rooter on this entire list, and that makes it the perfect test of patience. If you can regrow rosemary in water, you can regrow anything that follows. Here is how. Choose a firm green sprig, strip the leaves from the lower stem, and stand it in a glass of clean water on a bright windowsill. Change that water once a week to keep it fresh and clear. Over the next few weeks, fine white roots will slowly emerge. Once they do, you can move it into a pot for the years ahead. Picture silvery needled stems catching the morning light in a simple glass jar. Rosemary carries a clean, piney fragrance that lifts roast dinners, fresh breads, and hearty soups. You can keep a jar growing indoors anywhere on Earth, no matter your climate outside. Outdoors, it is a little tender, happiest in the warmer zones 8 through 11. If even stubborn rosemary will root in a glass of water, the next herb will feel effortless. Number 12 is sage, with its soft silvery green leaves and that warm, earthy aroma. Sage roots faster than rosemary, usually within a couple of weeks, so you are already speeding up. Take a healthy stem that is not flowering, peel the lower leaves away, and settle it into water on the sill. Keep the water clean and wait for the roots to form. Sage has been a kitchen treasure for centuries, the classic partner to stuffing, sausages, and buttery sauces, and a soothing gargle for a sore throat. Picture plump, velvety, gray-green leaves steeping gently in a warm cup. One honest word of care. Sage is wonderful as food and as an occasional tea, but you should avoid very large medicinal doses taken over long stretches of time. As a flavor in your cooking, it is simply a delight. Grow a jar of it on your windowsill in any country, or plant it outdoors in zones 4 through 10, where it loves a dry, sunny spot. A little patience with sage rewards you for years. The next herb is so powerfully scented that it will perfume the very water it sits in. Number 11 is thyme, a tiny leaved herb with a mighty presence. Like sage, it is woody, so give it a couple of weeks to root, but it is more than worth the wait. Strip the lower stem, stand the sprig in water, and refresh it regularly until those roots appear. Here is the lovely surprise. Thyme is so aromatic that within days it turns the water in the jar fragrant, like a little bottle of herbal perfume on your sill. In the kitchen, thyme is the quiet backbone of soups, stews, roasts, and slow-cooked beans. For generations across the Mediterranean and the Middle East, it has been a staple of the family table. Picture a cluster of small green sprigs releasing their sharp, clean scent into a glass of water. Keep it growing indoors anywhere, or plant it outdoors in zones 5 through 9, where it thrives in dry, sunny ground. Time proves that even the smallest herb earns its place on your windowsill. The next herb is the bold flavor behind every great pizza, and it roots in half the time. Number 10 is oregano, and it is so much more than a pizza topping. This is where the speed really picks up. Oregano has a soft stem, so a fresh cutting roots reliably in only about a week, far quicker than the woody herbs before it. Snip a healthy stem, strip the lower leaves, and pop it in water, and it will soon reward you with roots and then months of bold, peppery leaves. Oregano belongs to the mint family, and that is worth remembering because its most famous cousin is waiting for you at number 1, and that cousin roots faster than almost any plant alive. Picture a bushy little jar of small, round green leaves on the windowsill, ready to snip over pasta, pizza, and roasted vegetables. Dried or fresh, oregano carries the unmistakable taste of Italian and Greek cooking. You can grow it in water indoors anywhere in the world, or plant it outdoors in zones 4 through 10. A herb that roots in a week and flavors half your favorite meals is a gift. But first, a hidden gem that grows you a sweetener with no sugar at all. Number 9 is stevia, and this one is a genuine secret weapon. The leaves of this small leafy plant are between 200 and 300 times sweeter than sugar, yet they contain 0 calories and do not spike your blood sugar. That makes stevia a quiet treasure for anyone watching their weight or managing diabetes. Imagine growing your very own natural sweetener for free right on your windowsill. Stevia comes from Paraguay in South America, where it has been enjoyed for centuries. A botanist named Moises Santiago Bertoni first documented it for the wider world back in 1899. To grow it, take a soft cutting that is not flowering and root it in water with a little patience, since stevia is less eager than the speedy mints. Once it roots, move it to a pot. Picture bright green oval leaves that taste astonishingly sweet the very moment they touch your tongue. You can grow it indoors anywhere or outdoors in the warm zones 9 through 11. A sweetener you grow yourself with no sugar and no calories is almost too good to be true. The next herb fills the whole room with the scent of fresh lemon. Number 8 is lemon balm, a soft and gentle herb with leaves that smell exactly like fresh lemon when you brush them. It roots so willingly in water, usually within 1 to 2 weeks. Take a cutting, strip the lower leaves, stand it in a jar, and watch it grow lush and bushy. People have leaned on lemon balm since ancient Greece to calm the nerves and ease the mind towards sleep. A warm cup of lemon balm tea in the evening is pure tranquility, and it is wonderful in cold summer drinks, too. Picture bright, heart-shaped green leaves crowding a glass on a sunlit sill. One honest note: lemon balm is beautifully gentle, but it can deepen the effect of strong sedatives, so be mindful if you take them. You can grow it indoors in water anywhere, and outdoors it is tough and hardy, returning year after year in zones 3 through 7 and beyond. A herb that smells like summer and calms the mind is a joy to keep. The next herb is a whole stalk you regrow straight from the supermarket. Number 7 is lemongrass, the tall citrus-scented grass that gives Thai and Vietnamese cooking its bright, zesty soul. And here is the best part: you do not even need a cutting for this one. Simply take a fresh lemongrass stalk from the supermarket, the kind you would cook with, and stand it upright in an inch of water. Within a week or two, new roots sprout from the base, and a fresh green shoot pushes up from the center. It is like getting a free plant from your groceries. Lemongrass makes a bright, refreshing, citrusy tea that has been enjoyed across Asia for generations. Picture pale green stalks standing together in a jar, like a little fragrant bouquet, scenting the whole kitchen. It loves real warmth, thriving outdoors across India, Southeast Asia, and the southern United States in the tropical zones 9 through 11. But indoors in a glass of water, it grows for absolutely anyone in any climate. Turning a grocery store stalk into a living plant is a small miracle. The next herb regrows from the very scrap you would normally throw in the bin. Number 6 is chives, the slender, mild, oniony herb that makes everything from eggs to baked potatoes taste better. Chives are a cut and come again wonder, which means you snip them and they simply grow back again and again. To regrow them in water, take a bunch from the store with the little white bulb base still attached and stand them in a glass with the bulbs just touching the water. Within about a week, fresh green shoots rise up, ready to snip whenever you cook. Picture a tidy cluster of thin green spears standing in a jar, topped now and then with cheerful purple flowers. Now here is a clue for later. Chives are not the only herb from the onion family that regrows beautifully from a scrap. Wait until you meet number 3, because it is even faster and even simpler. Chives grow indoors anywhere, and outdoors they are extremely hardy, thriving in zones 3 through 9. A herb you snip forever and never replant is exactly the spirit of this list. The next herb roots in mere days and positively thrives on neglect. Number 5 is Cuban oregano, also known as Indian borage, and it might just be the easiest rooter on this entire list. A single cutting sprouts, roots in only a few days, and the plant positively thrives on neglect. Despite the name, it is not true oregano at all, but its thick, velvety leaves carry an even bolder, more savory aroma. Native to southern and eastern Africa, it traveled the world and became a beloved folk remedy across the Caribbean and India, where the leaves are steeped to soothe coughs, colds, and sore throats. Picture plump, fuzzy green leaves spilling generously over the rim of a glass jar. You chop the leaves into beans, soups, and meat dishes, where a little goes a very long way. Hardly anyone in cooler countries has ever heard of it, yet it grows indoors in water with almost no effort at all, or outdoors in the tropical zones 9 through 11. A herb that roots in days and asks for nothing is a true friend to beginners. But the next herb is no ordinary green. It is the single healthiest vegetable ever measured by science. Number 4 is watercress, and it holds a record that no other vegetable on Earth can match. In the year 2014, a researcher named Jennifer Di working with the Centers for Disease Control, ranked 47 fruits and vegetables by how many nutrients they pack into every calorie. Watercress was the only one to earn a flawless perfect score of 100 out of 100. It overflows with vitamin K, vitamin C, and calcium, all in crisp, peppery little leaves. And here is why it belongs on this list. Watercress naturally grows in cool running streams, so a bowl of water on your windowsill is its idea of paradise. Pop a sprig in water, it roots within days, and you can clip and regrow it endlessly. Picture dark green leaves floating in a shallow dish, glistening with freshness. One honest tip: grow your own clean watercress rather than gathering it from wild streams, which can sometimes carry tiny parasites. You can grow it in cool water almost anywhere in the world. The healthiest green ever recorded, thriving in a simple bowl of water, is hard to top. But the next herb regrows so fast and so foolproof that a young child could do it. Number 3 is the green onion, also called the scallion, and this is the answer to that clue I gave you earlier. It is the most foolproof free food in your whole kitchen. Here's all you do. After cooking, save the white root ends, the very part most people throw away, and stand them upright in an inch of water. Within just 2 or 3 days, fresh green shoots climb right back up. You snip what you need and they keep regrowing over and over from a scrap you already paid for once. Picture slender white bulbs in a small glass, sprouting bright green spears that seem to grow taller by the hour. Green onions belong to the same family as garlic and onions, and they carry gentle, natural compounds that help support your immune defenses. They add a fresh, mild bite to salads, soups, stir-fries, and almost anything else. You can regrow them indoors anywhere or plant them outdoors in zones 6 through 9. Free food in 3 days from a scrap headed for the bin is the very heart of this whole idea. But number 2 carries a secret fit for a king. Number 2 is basil, the beloved soul of pesto, fresh tomato salads, and Italian cooking everywhere. But basil hides the royal secret I promised you at the very start. The ancient Greeks crowned it the king of herbs, and its very name comes from their word for royal, fit for a king. Legend says Alexander the Great himself carried basil home to Greece more than 2,000 years ago. To regrow it, snip a healthy sprig just below a leaf joint, strip the lower leaves, and stand it in a glass of water. In about a week, white roots appear, and from that moment, one single supermarket sprig can become an endless royal supply. Picture a glass crowded with glossy, vivid green leaves, filling the kitchen with a sweet, peppery perfume. Basil is also one of the priciest herbs to keep buying fresh, so this single trick can save you a small fortune over a year. You grow it indoors in water anywhere, while outdoors it is tender, a summer plant for most of us, and a true perennial only in the warmest zones, 10 and 11. A king of herbs grown from one sprig is a marvel, but number 1 is the fastest, most unstoppable herb of them all. Number 1 is mint, the undisputed champion of regrowing in water. Nothing on this list comes close to its speed. Drop a fresh sprig of mint into a glass of water, and tiny white roots can appear in just 2 or 3 days. But unlike all the others, mint does not even want to leave the water. It will happily live, root, and spread in that glass indefinitely, which means one humble sprig can become a lifetime supply that never runs out. There is a beautiful old story behind it. The ancient Greeks believed mint was born from a water nymph named Minthe, who lived beside a river in the underworld and was transformed into the fragrant plant by the goddess Persephone. Ever since, they said, mint has loved water. Picture a jar overflowing with bright, ruffled green leaves, releasing that cool, unmistakable scent every time you brush past. Mint soothes the stomach, eases bloating, and calms a wave of nausea, and it lifts teas, salads, and cool summer drinks. One honest note, mint will conquer a garden bed if you let it, but trapped in a glass of water, it stays perfectly polite. You can grow it indoors anywhere on Earth or outdoors in the hardy zones 3 through 11. One sprig, a glass of water, roots in 3 days, fresh mint for the rest of your life. That is not gardening, that is pure magic on a windowsill. So there they are. 13 incredible herbs, every single one happy to regrow in nothing but a glass of water. Fresh flavor, free medicine, and real savings, all from a snipped sprig or a saved scrap, rooting in days and feeding you for years to come. This is the simple wisdom our grandparents understood, and we somehow let slip away. You do not need a garden, you do not need money, you do not even need a single bag of soil. All it takes is a clean glass, a little water, and a windowsill that catches the light. So pick just one of these herbs this week. Snip your sprig, save your scrap, fill a jar, and set it where the morning sun pours in. Then watch the roots reach down and the leaves unfurl, knowing you will never have to buy that herb again. When you do, come down to the comments and tell me which herb you chose and where in the world you are growing it. I read every message. And subscribe because next we are growing a whole salad bar from kitchen scraps in nothing but water. Until then, snip once and harvest forever.